G'day there, welcome to this Mark's Reviews and Tutorials video. We are just putting a Pioneer head unit into a 2005 1 Series BMW. We have not gone with the plug and play with the different plugs. We've had to sort out the wiring, so this is just a little quick update with what we've got going. Now, your Pioneer radio, any radio, is going to have an accessories power that it wants and an all-the-time power connected to the battery that it wants. The only power wire that BMW supplied in here is a power wire which stays on until someone opens a door. As I said, that's wrong in the blogs. Absolutely not the case at all. That's an all-the-time power wire. That'll stay on all night and stay powered up. So we needed to grab the accessories power from the cigarette lighter. In your big loom here, this guy, that is the that's green stripe on red. That's your big power wire. It's the thickest one in there. Your earth is brown. Get my finger under that. That's your brown there, that's your earth coming from the car loom. Your speaker wires are then all from there. Now I'm gonna hold them up one at a time because you can look at this is a Pioneer, so it's in the standard colors so far as left, front, right, rear, and all the rest of it. The green Pioneer is going to these yellow wires. The mauve or purple is going to these blue and green and brown in the loom. That's two. The front wires in this were both rear, the thin ones. The front wires were much thicker wires. Here the grey from the Pioneer is going to these guys, blue and grey combination. The last one here, these are, well, you've got dark grey and light grey. If we look down here, the dark grey are going to these guys here, which is the blue combination. Okay, so that's all of it. So that's it. That's the speaker wires. The brown in your loom back here is the ground. The red one with the green stripe is your power. So there you go. And there's your speakers. So you can wire it yourself. This is all operational and working and going well. What we discovered with the old radio plug is that they are in sets. There's 8 wires here with the speaker wires. They're in a set and all one plug. And then the earth was there, and then the power wire was beside it. They were in that section beside, and so they were all in sets. 8 speaker wires and power and earth over there.